Hello guys, how are you doing? I will be your instructor for the Java programming. This is going to be the comprehensive tutorials series related to the Java programming. And as a beginning, we are always going to start with our first program. So let us just go back into our first program. I'm going to, by the way, I'm using IntelliJ IDEA. It's pretty useful. All you have to install it, just I will put down the link in the description below. You can just check it, and after installing, following the simple processes, just go to src, create a new Java class. I'm going to name the class as hello world, okay, or I'm going to say that this is my first Java program. Okay, so you see it has directly automatically created a class, and after that I'm going to create a main method, because main method is the mandatory part of every Java program. Okay, so it's going to be public static void and main, like that. And I'm going to say string and arguments as a these are the parameters of the main method. Okay, just like that. And now opening and closing parentheses. So to output something, we are going to use system dot out dot println, and I'm going to say welcome to Java, just like that. Okay, now here are many things that we need to know, or you probably had noticed that what is this class or what is this main or all that. These main, as I told you, is going to be the mandatory part of every Java program. We must include it in order to run the program. Now this class is the name of the class. It's the keyword. Keywords are the reserved words that have some special meaning in the library of Java, and we are just calling these keywords to use them as a functionality that we are getting from this. So here we are declaring the class, then we are giving the name of the class. The name of the class here is hello world. Okay, and then we have this main method, public static void. Public static is just the modifiers, access modifiers. Void is the return type of the function. Main is the name of the function, and these are the arguments or parameters of the function. And anytime when we need to output anything on the screen on the Java, we are going to use this system dot out. Out mean here for the output on the screen, and print line, like you have to print whatever will be written inside the quotation marks, the double quotes, will be printed out as it is on the screen. Okay, so when I'm going to run the program like this, you see what it's going to do. It's going to print out welcome to Java on the output here. There you go, you can see that that's the output. So the other main important thing is you need to take care of the parentheses. Okay, so this block of the parentheses is representing that this is the class or the code that is related to the class, and this code or this block of code or just one line here is is for our main method. So opening and closing parentheses is very important in Java. So I hope you like this intro video for me of me, and I will be seeing you guys pretty soon. Till then, take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.